This is a garden storage box from Lidl. And in this video, we are showing how we assembled it step by step. The box arrives as a set of plastic panels. Most of the construction is held together by clips without screws. We started with the bottom panel and gradually connected the two sides, followed by the front and back panels. The assembly itself is fairly simple, although some of the clips require quite a bit of pressure. The main thing we noticed is that every connection needs to close fully with a clear click. When a clip is only partly engaged, a small gap can remain between the panels, which may allow rainwater to get inside later. In a few places, we carefully used a small hammer to help the clips lock into position. A piece of wood or plastic between the hammer and the box can help protect the surface.
Sige.
Once all four walls were connected, we checked the corners and the joints along the bottom. The lid then clips into the hinges at the back, and the two straps connect it to the side walls. They support the lid while it is open and stop it from moving too far backwards.
Ta-dam!
The assembled box is approximately 117 centimeters wide, 45 centimeters deep, and 56 centimeters high. There is enough room inside for garden tools, hoses, buckets, outdoor toys, and other ordinary items that tend to collect around the yard. We probably would not keep anything particularly valuable or highly sensitive to moisture inside, but for normal garden clutter, it is a useful amount of storage.
Ganda
This version also feels stronger and more rigid than the previous little storage box we used. Overall, the assembly was straightforward, especially with 2 people. The only part that needed extra attention was making sure that every clip was fully locked into place.